Finding a recording device that is affordable and good quality to produce good quality videos for you has been kind of difficult. Now, I did recently purchase a Canon camera to do this, but it didn't do everything that I needed it to do. Now, I do use my phone typically, but I would like to add maybe an external mic so you can hear me better instead of having to alter the sound. And while it does work, I would like to find an affordable option to produce good quality videos for you. So in today's video, we will be reviewing the digital camera that I got off of Amazon. This is a lower cost camera that offers 4K, so let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything else you'd like me to try, leave it in the comment section down below. And give this video a thumbs up. It's absolutely free and it would help the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the review. So this is what the camera looks like. It says digital camera. It's got 4K Ultra HD recording. It's got night vision, beauty, 48 megapixels, and Wi-Fi accessible. Now, I don't use the beauty feature because I like to be as transparent as possible, but this one also offers 16 times zoom, and it's got a 3.0 touchscreen. So we're going to look into this and see what it's all about. So in this, we do get a arm that you put the camera on, and you can hold it or record with it or whatnot. It does come with a remote. We got 2 batteries, so that's good. So we can have both of those charged. It comes with, let's see, what is this? It is sealed. Comes with an HDMI to an HDMI mini cord, and so that's nice. We got the charging cord, which is a mini USB to USB. This one does come with an external shotgun mic, so that's pretty nice. So we'll try it with the camera by itself and then with the shotgun mic. It's got the 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter adapter for the mic. They did send a wall adapter, so that is awesome because, you know, a lot of companies, they don't even send you the wall adapter anymore. And then let's see, what else does it have? It has the lens hood to prevent glare from outside. All right, so this is the case that it came in. Super cute. It's a really lightweight. So let's open this up. It's super cute. It does come with a lens cap, so that's appreciated. It's got 16 times zoom. Okay, let's see. It's got photo and then mode and then the zoom features. And then when you open it up, you got all your buttons here. You got up, okay, or menu, Wi-Fi, up, okay, up, and down, and power. And then you open that right there and you got your HDMI, your mic, and your USB. So close that. And then your screen does tilt towards you. So if you want to, you can look at yourself. We'll have to look at the quality of that. You need an external SD card. So, oh, okay. And then it says busy and charging. And then you got your start and stop button right there. And then you got your hand grip. So you can film or whatever. So we are going to go get this charged, and then we will come back and we will get some footage with and without the mic. We will get some footage this way. I mean, every which direction I can think of, and I will shoot some shots outdoor, and we will go over what I think about this camera. So stay tuned. All right, so we have the video recorder charging. Now, when I did open it up, it did power on and it showed that it was fully charged, but this is showing that it's charging. So once it's done charging, we will be back. All right, so as you can see, this is done. So we're going to take it off the charger and put an SD card on. All right, so we are back And we have our camcorder here. Now we are going to insert the memory card. Now this memory card right here is an adapter, obviously, but the memory card itself is an SDXC micro mini card. It's got 1024 gigabytes, which is about a terabyte. And so we're going to insert this in here and see if this will work. If not, I have a different SD card. Let's power that on. Okay, and there it says welcome. Wi-Fi, light source, frequency, timing. It is touchscreen, but it's kind of sensitive. Formatting. Okay, it's not showing the SD card, so we're gonna go to power off. All right, and we are going to change out this card and see if we can get the other one to work. Okay, we've got that SD card in, unsupported file system format. Okay, hit OK. Low card speed, please replace. Okay, let's power this off and power it back on. This is crazy, huh? Alright. Menu, format failure. Okay, so this one ain't gonna work because it says low speed card. Okay, so maybe let's try the other one more time, because this is a newer card and it's supposed to be high speed. It's supposed to be able to keep up with everything. Okay, let's see. Let's go menu. Okay, settings, format. Okay, it says it's formatting, so we will see. It said that the format was successful, but now it's saying that it's got a low card speed. Okay, did it read it? Okay, it's reading it. We're gonna see how this works, because if you can see right there, it's, oh, here, let me put this on so that you can see that better. Okay. So I'm not sure if it's a camera malfunction or what it is, but it's showing that I got 71 hours right here. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, it's showing that I got 71 hours, but it just showed me a low speed. Okay, so it switched over to picture, and that's what the picture looks like. So let's go ahead and take a picture of ourselves. See if I can find the button. Did it take a picture? No. Okay, right here maybe? Okay. So maybe this button up here. See, zoom out. Right, that's about as far as it zooms out right there. Now let's. Alright, so it did take pictures. Let's see if we can. Okay, we'll close that door. Now we'll go to menu. Okay, how do you preview? Okay, so that's, oh, that changes it to where it's like gray, black and white, green. Alright, we are back to normal. Alright, so I did take a couple of pictures, but I don't see where to view. Oh, maybe mode? Okay. Normal picture, normal record. Oh, okay. And there is what the 3x3 screen looks like. And excuse my photo because, you know. So we'll test out the camera, test out the mic, and then I'll add the shotgun mic, see if that does any better, and we will come back with my final review. Alright, so here's video of on the inside of the house. We are going to be putting on this lens hood to see how it works, and then we are going to be going outside to video some footage, and then we're also try it with the mic. So here's the remote, and I haven't tried it yet, but we'll get that on camera here in a little bit. So let's go. Alright, so we are outside, and this is the mic, and if you can turn it on right here. Oh, let's see if I can. Anyway, that's on. You can see the little light at the bottom. This is a rechargeable mic. I can't, it don't have an external battery. There is the charging port. And so let's continue on, and we'll go out to the field and see what all we can record. Alright, so we are in a field, and as you can see, let's see how wide it searches without invading anyone's privacy. That's the furthest I can zoom in. That's the furthest I can zoom out. Now this is the audio without the microphone, but let's plug in the microphone and see how that goes. So we'll be back. Alright, so this is with the microphone on and at the loudest that it goes. And there's not really much going on in the sky today. A couple of chemtrails. But that's at the loudest. That's at the lowest it goes. And that's at the medium from behind. Now let's switch it around and we will see about the front. So there is, oh, I'm a little close, and that's closer. Alright, so there is me, and this is the medium. No, okay, yeah, that was the medium, but this is the loudest it goes. Alright, so we're gonna stop this video right here. Don't waste your money on this camera. I am gonna return it back to Amazon. It wasn't as advertised. It obviously ain't 4K. The only thing good about this camera is the mic, and that is debatable. It was a mess. So the last part of that last clip was clipped out, but just to let you know, I do not approve this camera. I will be returning it back for a few reasons. The zoom feature is not that great. You saw me zooming in on the mic. It wouldn't even zoom in on the mic. It was very blurry and pixelated. It doesn't allow recording when you attach it to an external monitor. The pictures taken deleted themselves, or they never actually took. Like, it showed me that they took. I showed y'all that it took, but it didn't actually take the pictures. They're gone. They didn't even transfer off the SD card. It kept giving me errors on the SD card saying that it was slow enough, but the SD card was actually one of the brand new SD cards, and it worked in the Canon just fine, and it's been reformatted for that camera. Not only that, but whenever I put in a lower SD card, it wouldn't even read that either. And the lower SD card actually was rated for that camera. So there's obviously a problem with that there. And then also it was false advertisement. It's definitely not 4K. The sound is not that great, and the video quality is not that great. The pictures aren't that great. And I hope that y'all got some information that you needed from this video. Don't waste your money, just save it. I'm gonna save my money, and hopefully I will find a camera that is suitable for me to record quality videos for you guys. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below, and thank you for watching. Bye.